So today, babes, we are starting a new chapter. We're turning over a new leaf. We are going to be doing workouts together, and this month is a new month for change. It's a new month for us to start again. Usually in January, I start to think about, and most people think about, what they can change in their routine, what they like about their routine, what things they want to get more consistent in. And one of those things for me, especially being now 12 weeks postpartum, is getting on a fitness routine that I enjoy and sticking with it. One that is sustainable for me, one that is sustainable for being a mom of 2 kids, being busy, being on the go. Today I'm actually traveling, so over the next week, we're going to be spending some time together each day, and we are going to be working out together. I'm going to be taking workouts from growwithjo home, which is our new site, our new workout site where I will be dropping our monthly programs, because I know a lot of you love this YouTube format. You love to work out to full-length videos. You love the follow along vibe. You love me being there with you and doing that workouts with you in real time. So this month we are doing a fresh start series, which I think is totally fitting. Do you want to say something? Okay, go ahead. Nice. So this month we're doing a fresh start series. This series is going to be available on YouTube, but it's going to be released 1 video weekly, whereas on growwithjo home, which is growwithjo.com, you're going to find all of the workouts consecutively for the next 3 weeks. So if you want to do the fresh start series and you want to do it every day with me, you're going to want to sign up for growwithjo home. It's free for the first 30 days. And then after that, it's a very small fee where you can support the growwithjo brand, the growwithjo community. Yes.
I want to do it all day too.
Okay, you can do it all day with us. And we're going to be able to work out together this entire month and in the months to come. So let's do our booty workout. You ready? If you have the app as well, if you already have it, it's going to be in the app as well. So don't worry, it's going to be in the on-demand part of the app. And if you don't have the app, you can for sure get it on growwithjo home. Let's do this. So this workout actually has a band with it, but I am not using a band today. If you have a band, you can add it to your legs, and I'll let you know when you can add it to your legs. We're doing a 10-minute booty burn today, and I already know I'm gonna be feeling it. This workout requires very little space, just the space of your mat. So let's do it together. Okay, so you're gonna take the band off if you have one, and we're gonna go into some squat pulses. Make your feet nice and wide, squat down, and pulse it out. Whew. Maya's sleeping. Okay, 17 more seconds. Oh, we're gonna do a hold. Hold. Pulse. Hold. Hold. All right. We're gonna rest for 5 seconds. And then we're gonna go into a lunge. So put your leg back, and you're gonna lunge forward, lunge backward. Step, step. You should feel it on your opposite leg. Ooh. Oh no. I haven't done a leg workout like this in quite some time. Oh no. Whew. Ugh. I know I'm going to be feeling this tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Ooh. The thing about starting fresh is that you feel like a beginner again. Okay, other side. And that's totally okay. I know there's sometimes a lot of shame around like falling off the bandwagon. or just feeling like, wow, how did I let myself go this far? And I definitely felt that after my first postpartum, like after my first baby, Kaizen. But this time, I'm giving myself a little bit more grace and being like, you know what? I haven't used these muscles like this in a while. So it's normal, it's natural for me to be feeling a little bit more tired than usual. So we're gonna do a curtsy lunge now, and then we're gonna kick out. Other side, curtsy lunge, woo! Make sure you get your balance. Kick out. Curtsy lunge, kick out. And curtsy lunge. Is it okay if I'm using your head, guys?
Yeah.
Curtsy lunge, kick out. You should feel it at the top of your booty. There we see? Kick out. Okay. Little rest. Oh, if you're following along with me right now, proud of you. Okay, if you got that band, put it on again. We're gonna squat down, hold it right here, and we're gonna step out, just like this. Do you have a band? Do you have a band?
What's your band?
I don't know. I don't have it. I think it's hard enough without.
Yeah?
Yeah. So this workout's only 10 minutes, but as you can see, it's quite clear that you can get your burn on in only 10 minutes. And that's something that I really want us to focus on, keep your band on, this year, as we go into our fresh start. Okay, I'm gonna kick back, watch out. Is that, you know, the workouts don't have to be long. They don't have to be like perfect. If your kids are hanging off your legs like this, you're not alone. A lot of us moms are doing it. And just giving our most, giving our best. And when you get consistent with that, that is when you start to see results. That's when you start to see your mood lift. That's when you start to see like your life change and you start to get disciplined. Let's lay on the ground, Kaizen.
What?
Lay down. We're gonna do a glute bridge. Can you do it? Can you see me? Push right through your heels and lift your butt off the ground. Can you do it? Lift up. Push through your feet. And squeeze your glutes at the top. Okay. Get back up. Grab your legs if you need to. Get up.
Yeah.
You can keep the band on your legs. Now we're going to do
Put your band
some open up. So these are called fire hydrants. This move always kind of makes me laugh because it's like a dog peeing on a fire hydrant. It's really effective for your outer glutes, but it always feels a little bit weird doing it. Hey. Hey. Ease it up. Make sure you keep breathing. That's another thing this year that we can work on during our workouts. Not being so focused on like getting things perfect, but work on your breathing and working on your form. So even if it's like making your back a little bit more straight and focusing on like keeping your chest up and out, keeping your core activated, that is going to make a huge difference even if you're not able to get all the reps in or do it as fast as I'm doing it. If you're getting the form right, your muscles are going to be activated properly and you're going to start feeling like the workouts are actually doing the work. There we go. Who's singing this, Kaizen?
Daddy.
Yeah. Okay, take the band off if you have the band.
Mommy, look at the blue spot. It's going to be ready.
Yeah. You mean the blue bar at the top?
Yeah.
What does that blue bar mean?
I mean, it's going to be ready. It's going to be done.
Yeah. Something I tell my Kaizen when he's working out with me if he wants to do a kid workout after is that the little bar at the top tells you when it's done. So when the bar reaches the end, ooh, stretch it out. Then it's all done and you can do your workout. Okay, let's do the other side. Open up to the side and kick out.
Mommy, I want my workout on the TV.
You want to do it on the TV?
Yeah.
Okay. We're almost done this one. Woo. Are you helping me?
Yeah. I'm going hard on TV.
Good job. All right. Woo. Stretch it out. Okay, this one is going to be hard with you on my back. So we're going to lift our knees off the ground, and then we're going to kick back with our leg. Oh, Carson, you're getting heavy. You're getting so strong. Keep your knees off the ground if you can. If you can't keep your knees off the ground, then just drop them down. Keep your core nice and tight. This one's working your core and your booty. Ooh. Oh, guys, it is mommy sweating. Okay, keep your knee on the ground. Extend your left leg. And we're going to do little pulses up. Just like that. Point your toe. Woo. And feel the burn. Oh, man.
Knees getting heavy.
Yeah. You're also making me hot and sweaty
Yeah.
from your body heat. Okay. That's it. Stretch out a little bit. So it's now that time of the year where everybody's thinking about their resolutions, things that they want to do, or their ins and their outs. One of my ins
Daddy, look.
is focusing on how my body feels throughout the day and really listening to my body when it comes to both nutrition and exercise. And one of my outs is weighing myself so often. I think weighing yourself really gets you caught up in the numbers. We finished! Good job. Great job. I'm proud of you.
Mommy, I want to do my workout on TV.
Okay, I'm just gonna tell them that, getting caught up in the numbers, it's great to set a goal of, I want to lose such and such amount of weight, but if you keep weighing yourself, okay. You want to sit on the couch till we're ready for your workout?
Yeah.
So if you're caught up in the numbers and you're weighing yourself every day, it's easy to get discouraged and to feel like, this is not working. This is not going to be like something that I can do that will actually work. But if you just stay consistent, and I say this in every single one of my videos, that if you stay consistent, you're going to see true and lasting results, which means that maybe not right away you're going to get that weight loss, but you're going to see true results. True results means that it's not just about what's on the scale. It's about how you're feeling throughout the day, the energy that you're able to bring every day. It's about how you feel in your clothes. It's about just living to your best ability. So that's true. And then lasting results is that they're sustainable. If you're gonna do crazy workouts just once in a while, you might lose a pound or two in a week, but it's not gonna stay off because it's not like you're consistent. So consistency is my definite in for this year. And I want you to let me know down in the comments below what your in is for this year, your number one in, and what your out is for this year. So now I'm gonna head to my kitchen. I'm gonna grab a smoothie. I'm actually gonna make a nice smoothie. It's great for you to
Mommy,
have
I want a smoothie too.
Okay, we can make a smoothie together.
Yeah, I want a green smoothie.
Okay, great idea. So we're gonna create a smoothie together. It's important that you hydrate and make sure that you give yourself the right nutrition after you work out and throughout the day. And this year we are focused on fueling ourselves with good and healthy foods and not being scared of food. Food is going to be something that's going to keep your results consistent and it's going to help fuel you throughout the day. Okay, so let's get our smoothie together?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I want my smoothie green.
Okay. All right, so we finished making our smoothie, right, Kyson?
Yeah, it's my smoothie.
It's your favorite green smoothie. Little hack for you, moms. If your child's favorite color is green,
Yeah.
give them green smoothies. I put some protein powder. I put strawberries, a lot of greens in it, and I think that's it, almond milk. And now we're gonna taste test. Mmm, you want to taste? What do you think?
Good.
It tastes good? Okay.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
go put in the cup.
Okay. I'll put it in the cup. Thanks for doing this workout with me today, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for our next workout. Make sure to sign up on growwithjo.com if you want to follow this month's schedule, and I'll see you in the next workout.